We are going to tighten this steering wheel up for my grandson. Steering thing. And I don't know why he's running away, but he's got to engineer this thing. Alright, my son's got it all figured out how to get there. Hey, I have a wrench in my pocket. Back pocket. Cam is engineering this. This is how we tighten up steering things for the tricycle. And by the way, that's a tricycle I got for nothing alongside the road. I brought it home, got it working. Oh, it's amazing what people throw away. It just needs a little bit to fix it up, make it work.
You want me how to run the picture?
You're in the picture. Oh, we're going to be dancing now. Oh, and his dad's tightening that up. This is how we do it at Papa D's.
Maybe.
There's a little clamp down there that we should be able to make an adjustable wrench fit. If not, we'll get one that will fit. We got them.
Come on, come on, come on.
Uh-oh, now we're getting serious.
How could it did a wheelie?
Oh, look at that. How's that look, Dad? How's it feel? Good?
Yep.
What do you think, driver? Is it good? Huh? You're supposed to ride it, not push it. All right. There's a wrap. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button.